flowers. One and that's petit. That's petit. That's petit. Guys, it's my birthday today, and I decided to cook a Filipino food because we don't usually eat Filipino food at home because it's my husband who's always cooking. So I just let him cook what he wants, and we don't eat usually Filipino food. Yay! Are you excited for Filipino food?
Yeah, but I remember we should carry it all the way home.
Yeah, it's not that heavy, man.
I'm just saying.
I guess that's all.
Is that all?
Yeah. Oh, no, glass noodles. We need glass noodles.
I don't know what we need also for the sushi. You know the seaweeds. No, but sometimes we will.
Okay. We need.
And we need vinegar for that.
Huh?
Vinegar.
I guess they're not so with Filipino things here. They don't have so much Filipino stuffs. It makes me so sad. Joke. Oh yeah, here is the. My love, here. This is the sushi thing, I guess. Soba. I guess it's here. There's sushi thing. They have bangus here, and I get one sarangani bangus. May nakita akong small fish. Merong chippy dito, guys. Tingnan nyo, chippy. Chippy. Looking for glass noodles. I guess this one here. But it's too small. Huh? What do you think?
The black spot.
Huh?
Black spot kanske?
Nej. What do you think?
I know you like that fish. You like that fish, don't you?
I like that.
And that beer.
No. Can I take this one? It's heavy. But I can carry too.
What?
I can carry too.
Of course you will carry too.
Our sprinkles in the Philippines is round, but here is so this is what we bought at the Asian store. We have here this, but I'm not so sure, guys, if this is the one for the glass noodles, the pancit bihon, because it doesn't look the same. So we will try this maybe. And hubby bought dates, and we bought for the sushi. 2 packs of lumpia, and we bought this. This is so good for paksiw. But I will not eat it today. I will eat it tomorrow. This would be our food for tomorrow, and hubby will be eating it tomorrow. Yes.
Okay. Maybe you should look up there now. They're on the top shelf there.
Oh yeah, but it's open.
The other one then.
Are they not open? Oh yeah. When is the expiry on this?
It's frozen, honey. There's no expiry.
Okay, then we can take this one then. This is open.
So you can't use that?
No.
So why did you put it in the fridge wrapper?
I forgot. I can throw this one.
Maybe you should listen to your husband sometime?
But it's yeah. Okay, let's continue.
Oh my god, you're gonna make so many spring rolls tonight. 4 packets.
But this one is already open, honey. This will be so hard to control. This one we will let it defrost first because it is so. See, and I bought silver swan. Finally, after 2 years, I haven't used this one, and this is much better than the Kikumon. And we bought silly, and another more. This the salad, but this is not for today. Salad is not for today.
What?
And we bought carrots. So our food for today is I will boil okra and aubergine, that is eggplant, and glass noodles, and the other one is, what is it? What is it?
Cake.
Cake.
Yeah.
We can eat the cake now.
How anything, but
I don't want to eat.
okay, let's take it in 2 minutes and let's eat the breakfast.
This is the eggplant. It's so cute, guys. It's really cute. Oh, really cute. And beans. And black pepper, since it's more cheaper in Asian store. Sushi, what is this? Vinegar. And this one, Filipino at okra. Oh, I forgot shrimp.
Okay.
Salted shrimp.
Okay.
That's what I want to eat. But it's okay, I have soya. Do we have lemon? Okay. It's okay.
Why just lemon juice?
Huh?
Just
Lemon juice.
No first.
It's okay. So that's all for today, guys, and we paid 500 kroner. That is, what is it, my love? 500. 3,000? 3,000. Just for this one, guys. That. So expensive.
No.
Just for that one. So we will start now, honey. We will start now. Guys, nagluluto ako for dinner at it's Filipino food. So we will have glass noodles today and lumpia or spring rolls. So I already cooked the spring rolls. So this is it here. Yan. So I have it drained. So it will be dried when I will gonna wrap it with lumpia. Next, I'm gonna cook is the glass noodles. And guys, we forgot the chicken and the cabbage. So hubby went out again to buy chicken and a cabbage. But I will start now and see guys, it's so messy. That is what I don't like when I'm cooking, because it is so messy. See that? I hate cooking because there's a lot of dishes and you know. So I will just continue cooking here and we will see you later. Here. And this is for the pancit or the glass noodles. Spring rolls.
12 seconds later.
This is my food for my birthday. Filipino food is special in our house. Why it's special, my love?
Because we only eat it once a year.
Yeah, we just eat it once a year, or sometimes I cook for Christmas. Did I?
No. The spring rolls maybe.
Yeah, and just once a year. So I cooked today for my birthday, so it's very special for me because we don't eat it all the time. And we're eating here because we don't have table, guys. See, don't have table. And hubby will not sing happy birthday for me.
I'm not singing.
Because he can't sing, he said. But he's singing metal, guys. I heard him singing metal. Like, and he sing like that. Spring rolls and noodles. I guess I used the noodles for the sotanghon, I guess. Are you done eating? You will not eat more?
Not now, tomorrow. Have cake later.
Oh yeah,
I haven't eaten cake yet.
Oh, I'm so full already.
No more cake for me.
Because he eat before we eat. Eat bread. So yeah, guys, that's all. Oh yeah, I will show you the cake later.
Yeah.
It's not homemade, guys. It's from the store. It's so cute, but there's no number. Where's my number? Oh yeah, it's a secret. My age is secret.
It's you can pretend that you're under 30 still.
Boy, I'm under 30. Oh, you're so bad.
No.
So guys, we will see you later. Can you do like that, my love?
No.
You.
That's...
Here's my cake. And there is the Cookie Monster.
Like that?
No,
like that?
No, just a little bit.
Like that?
Not here. No! Okay.
So tiny. I can't take that small.
But honey, we will be sleeping soon.
Yeah, but you have to eat cake. It's your birthday. Yeah, you have to eat cake.
The cake. Oh, it's so big.
I got a WALLPAPER. I need big cake.
Alright. So.
And
And there is mine, and there is his cake. And look at his tummy, guys.
You're so funny. You're so funny.
You will not greet me again, my love?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. You should sing to me.
No, you should watch now. Are you done?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Ha det.
You should say hada.
Ha det.
You should close it. Hada. You should say bye-bye.
Ha det.